Hello everyone. Right now we'll be talking about IPO. So we all know that the IPO for Lenskart Solutions is open, and this company has issued fresh shares to the public, and this is going to be a listed company, and the listing will happen on 10th of November in NSE as well as BSE. So let us try to understand what exactly is an IPO and what it means to the company and to the various stakeholders, including the investment bankers and the shareholders and various investors. First thing is, IPO stands for initial public offering. So as the name suggests, when a company wants to make itself public, that means when a company goes from a privately held organization to a publicly held company, means its shares are available or open to public for trading or buying or selling, then it is called a public company. So recently IPO process of Lenskart solution is still ongoing. Red herring prospectus is very important document. The company files for red herring prospectus with SEBI, which is the market regulator. SEBI stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India. So when it comes to IPO, there are two concepts that comes to our mind. The first one is the concept of capital market, and in capital market also there are two things. One is primary market and the other one is secondary market. So IPO is involved with primary market. When a company for the first time goes to public, then this is part of the primary market, and you sell or purchase or buy a stock in the open market, that is part of secondary market. And IPO is very important from government's perspective also. Whenever a government or PSU wants to divest some of its stake, at the time it goes for IPO. So recently, few years back, we saw the IPO of LIC, and which was one of the largest in the economic history of our country. And similarly, IPO is also a sign of vibrant economy which is growing, and it benefits the company because it can raise money for its expansion, and with those money it can invest in new business, it can acquire new business, or it can invest in new technologies, so that the country, the company and the whole economy can prosper properly. This is all we have in this video. Thank you.